Yeah, flawless beat. The look we are going for, okay? The clown look. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cheche. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. My name is Cheche Okoye, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's nice seeing you again. So today guys, I'm going to do another makeup challenge. Yeah, I've been doing lots and lots of makeup challenge. It's interesting. I mean, if you're as curious as me, I'm sure you love makeup challenges. Like, I just want to see how it's going to end. Like, I want to see the end result of the makeup. I'm always like curious to find out how it's going to end. So that's why I like the makeup challenges, and also filming it for you guys to enjoy, because it's really interesting. I mean, for me that is doing it, I'm sure you guys enjoy it. If you guys enjoy it, just tell me in the comment section. But yeah, let's get into the video. Today's video is going to be about me doing my makeup alphabetically, guys. Alphabetically. I mean, my normal makeup steps, right? Then alphabetically. So I wrote down my makeup steps, and how I do my makeup is I do my eyebrows, I do my eyeshadow, I do my primer, foundation, concealer, contour, setting powder, pressed powder, bronzer, blush, highlights, my lips, and then setting spray. That's like my normal, like that's how I do my makeup. That's my makeup order, okay? But today I'm going to do my makeup alphabetically. So it's going to go like this: blush, bronzer, concealer, contour, eyebrow, eyeshadow, foundation, highlights, lips, pressed powder, primer, setting powder, and then setting spray. Pressed powder, primer. We'll just see how it goes. So if you guys would love to see this video, then okay. So the first thing is blush. And I'm going to be using this blush from this palette. This is the Golden Hour Tammy X Revolution Makeup Revolution London. That's a lot. It's just the Golden Hour Tammy X Revolution palette. Okay, so I'm going to be using this blush. Okay, so this palette comes with a highlight, a blush, a bronzer, and a contour. Okay, I did a review on this collection. I'm going to leave the link here in the card and also in the description box, but I'm going to be using the blush because then the first thing is blush. So yeah, I'm going to be using this blush. I think I'll apply like a lot of blush, because blush is always the first thing that sort of disappears on your face when you do makeup, and the blush being underneath the whole makeup, it's not even going to show up at all. So I'm just going to go ahead and use a lot of blushes. A lot of blush on my cheeks. Okay guys, so I'm done with the blush, and the next thing is bronzer. Okay, I'm going to be using the same palette for the bronzer, and I'm going to be using the bronzer in this palette with the same brush. I mean, why not? And I'm going to be going in like as heavy as I did with the blush. I look ridiculous, but that's the look we are going for, okay? The clown look. Okay guys, so the next thing is concealer. Okay, so like concealer then contour. Okay, so I'm going to be using this this concealer, and I mean they're both concealer, the lighter one and the darkest one from Juvia's Place, and the lighter one is in shade 12, while the darkest one is in, not the darkest that I have is in shade 3. Okay, so I'm going to be concealing and contouring with this. Okay, I'm going to be adding a liquid dark shade on top of the bronzer. This is so weird, but okay guys, to blend it out, I'm going to be using this brush from Cheche, and this is their petite stippling brush. The brush that I use for the blush and bronzer is from Real Technique, and this is their contour brush. So I'm going to be using this brush to blend out the dark shade first, the contour first, before I blend out the concealer. Yeah. Okay guys, so I know I look crazy, but this is the look we are going for. Okay, the crazy look. And to blend out the concealer, I'm going to use this brush, the same from Cheche. Okay guys, so I did a review on this brush. It's like affordable brush from Amazon. Okay, I'm going to leave the link here for you guys to don't check it out, the review. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use this. I don't know what is wrong with me today. I'm going to use this brush. Okay, so like I said, it's the face shape brush from Cheche. Okay, it's a small, sort of like a small concealer brush. Okay, I'm going to use and blend out the concealer on my face. Okay guys, so yeah, flawless beat. All right, the next thing is the eyebrows. Okay, and I'm going to be using this pencil, and this is from Davies in color 18 to do my brows. I'm going to do my brows. I don't know if I should do my brows off camera. I've gotten a lot of compliments on my brows, so I feel like I should do my brows on camera for you guys to see. Okay guys, so the thing is, I don't try to make my brows perfect. I just do them, because I realize that me trying to make my brows perfect, I end up doing a lot of mistakes. Because like, why don't you add something here? Oh no, why don't you conceal here? This is too high, this is too low, do something. Then I end up ruining my brows and it takes longer time. But these days I just do my brows. I do my brows. And however, I mean, I try my best to make them look alike. But I cannot come and kill myself, guys. I cannot come and kill myself. So guys, I'm going to do my brows on camera, but it's going to be like a little bit fast, so that this video will not be too long. Okay. So I usually conceal the top of my brows some days, and I usually go in with like a concealer shade that is the same color with my skin tone, but I won't be doing that today. I'm just gonna skip that step. Okay, so the next thing after the eyebrow is the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to do a very quick brown smoky eye. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I look crazy, but this is what it is. Okay, it is what it is. And the fact that I have not set my face, okay, I'm beginning to produce oil on my face, but hopefully we get, oh, the setting powder is like the last step. So for my eye primer, I'm going to be using this NYS eyeshadow base, and this is in the shade Skin Tone. And I'm just going to pack this on my eyelid and blend it out. Okay guys, so I'm going to be blending it out with this concealer buffer brush. It's still from Cheche Beauty. Okay guys, so in the middle I'm going to be adding the same NYS, but this shade is in white because I want the brown to like be popping. Okay, because it's brown and I want it to really show up. So I'm just going to add this in the middle. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Tropical Twilight Tammy X Revolution. Okay guys, so they both came out together to collab from Tammy. She's a YouTuber, and like I said, I did a review and I did like 2 videos using this palette. I'm going to leave the link, guys, in the description box for you guys to check it out. So I'm going to be using this palette. It's a beautiful palette, beautiful. And I'm going to just be working with those shades on top. So I'm doing a brown smoky eyes, and yeah, that's it. So the next thing is foundation, and I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place foundation in the shade Togo 210. Okay, so guys, I have a review on the Juvia's Place, the foundation that I'm using right now, and the concealers, as well as the eyeshadow palette. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it also. God, I'm leaving so many things in the description box, guys. Just go and check out those videos. I'm still going to leave it in the description box. Okay, so I'm going to be using this as my foundation, and I'll be going in with this much just because I have a lot going on my face already, and I'm even scared to add something else, but I mean, we have to do something about this whole thing. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using this brush, and this is from Vanity Planet. Yeah, and this is their flat top stippling brush. It's amazing. So usually I dab my foundation, like I do like dots on my face before blending it out, but with this whole thing, I'm just going to pick up the products with the brush and blend it as I go. Okay guys, so this is what we have after the foundation. I think it's coming together. I think so. So the next thing is highlight, and yeah, this is all in one palette. Okay, amazing. So I'm going to be using the highlight in this palette, and it's called the Golden Hour, and it's so pigmented. So I'm going to be using it since it's going to be underneath my pressed powder. It's still going to show, so I'm going to be using it to highlight my cheekbones and every other place I usually highlight. Okay guys, so this is what we have. Okay, this is what we have. Honestly, it's not so bad, but the fact I've not used powder and I've not used primer. Okay, so the next thing is lips. So guys, I'm going to be lining my lips with this brown lip liner from Flawless Ivy. Okay, it's a Nigerian owned brand, and yeah, the name has claimed. So, and for my lipstick, more like a lip gloss, okay, I'm going to be using yeah, I've used a lot of Tammy X Revolution collection today. So this is her lipstick. It's one of the lipsticks that she came out with, and this is in the shade Gone Rogue. So guys, to finish up the lips, I'm going to be adding this shade. You know, one of those lipsticks that you own that sort of like brightens the middle of your lips, but I don't know the name. I mean, I was just getting lipstick and I saw it and I got it, and it has been good. So yeah, I'm going to use it just in the center of my lip. You guys see what you just did? That's why I like it, but I don't know the name, so I can't tell you guys the name, but it's like pink but nude, like nude pink. That's what's like. Okay guys, so the next is pressed powder. Okay, so I'm going to be using this NYS Professional Can't Stop Won't Stop pressed powder, and for the pressed powder I'll be applying it with this brush from Vanity Planet, and this is their powder slash blush brush. Okay guys, so I've added my under eye area because I don't really like having too much product there, and I'm still going to go in with setting powder, so you know, less product. Okay, so the next thing is primer. It's at this point that you realize that if you have a liquid primer, like a spray primer, then God is good. Okay, so I am so happy I have this primer. This is from Elf. This is an illuminating primer mist. Because imagine actually going in with like a gel primer, or like, you know, the tube cream primer on top of your whole makeup. So at this point, I am grateful for having this primer. Okay guys, so the next step is setting powder, and I'm going to be using this from Sasha. This is the Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be using this to set my face. And this brush is from Jessup, and this is their Locked Highlight 105. Okay guys, so the last step is setting spray. Finally, I mean, looking at my face, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna set my face and finish up my eyes, put the eyelashes, and then come back and show you guys the final look. Okay, so this setting spray is from Revlon, and this is their Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh. So this is the final look, and I'm not I'm not angry. And this turned out like really well. Like, I guess because of the whole setting spray at the end, sort of like put everything together, and I am loving this eyeshadow. Maybe I should do like a separate tutorial brown smoky eye shadow look. What do you guys think? Just tell me in the comment section. And this is the end of the video, guys. If you want me to do any more challenges, just tell me in the comment section, and of course I'll do it, because I'm a very curious human being. I'm a very curious person. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my name here. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video if you enjoyed it. And yeah, but tell me guys, tell me what you guys think about this look. For me, I think it's okay. Like, maybe I mean, I won't do this step if I'm going out, because my primer needs to be underneath my makeup, but overall look, it's okay. It's like really okay. And yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.